church leaders, elders, and pastors. I have a very special message for you. Imagine your church community coming together, inspired and ready to lead a digital transformation in how we share our faith. The Digital Discipleship Conference 2025 is your chance and my chance to bring this vision to life. You and I know how important it is to experience this kind of an event as a church community, and we want to make sure that this is made as easy as possible. There's something special about learning and growing together, seeing your members inspired, motivated, and ready to take action. That's why, with the help of the North and South New Zealand conferences, we're offering a 20% discount for group registrations of at least 5 people, which means that if your church registers just 4 people, the 5th person gets in absolutely free. And please note that spots are limited. So talk to your members straight away, organize your group, and be ready to secure your place. Do that right here at digitaldiscipleship.org.nz and be part of this revolution. This is more than just an event. It's a movement, and we want your church to be part of it. Let's step out in faith and transform how we share our witness in this digital age. Thank you so much for your leadership and your commitment. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.